So today I'm testing the Boya remote microphone. So this comes with two microphones, and this is a good area to test. I got highway noise, I got lawnmowers going on in the background, birds chirping. So let's open this up. Got my little wind dead cat here. So I'm gonna plug the receiver into the camera. This is an Android, so I have my Android connector, and let's get the sound going so that you can see how it is. Nice little setup, nice little carrying case. So now hopefully the sound is working. I have a blue light here and a blue light here. So this is without the dead cat to help with the wind noise. Got a car coming, driving by on my left. Now we're gonna install that. Close this carrying case. We're gonna attach the mic, put it there, and as you can see, I can get pretty far from the camera. I'm facing away from the camera, and you can hear my voice hopefully clear. And it has a huge range. I'll tell you the specs later, but this is exactly what I need for shooting my tennis videos on court, hopefully during play. I'm gonna take a couple practice hits and shoot a small video on my backhand, and we'll see how that sounds while doing an activity. Yeah, maybe that'll loosen up the body. That felt nice. It went nice all the way to the baseline. Way too hard, and it's just killing power and efficiency, and it's probably because of the timing. That feels like a sweet ball. That goes super nice deep with a little bit more pop. If I hit that at a little sharper angle, that's a decent cross-court, sharp angle shot to move my opponent. Let's go down this.